Astronaut and the Alien by Connor Melvin. The Astronaut and the Alien, written and illustrated by Connor Melvin. Copyright. Once upon a time, there lived an astronaut. His name was Albert. Albert was nice, handsome, and tall. He loved to visit Mars. The reason he liked to visit Mars was because red was his favorite color. One day, Albert decided to stay at Mars for 8 hours of the day. So he got into his car and buckled up. Albert's car was bright and shiny. Once he was done, he drove to the shuttle. When he got into the shuttle's door, he went inside. The door closed, so he went to the deck and then pulled the control. Blasted off and blasted off. Yay, said Albert. Space is starry, dark and beautiful. Cool. He was so excited that he was looking for Mars, his favorite planet. He was searching so much that he slipped on a puddle on the deck. He called for help. An alien heard the echo, so he called his spaceship. After 1 minute, the spaceship landed. The alien got into his spaceship. But the alien was funny, nice, and cute. When he got to Mars, he saw the astronaut crying. He brought the astronaut to his house. He introduced the astronaut to his family. The alien helped the astronaut get better. He was healing. The alien fixed the spaceship, which belonged to the astronaut. After that, the astronaut went home. Albert was very happy. About the author, my name is Connor. I am 5 years old. I go to Challenger School. When I grow up, I want to be a policeman. The end.
Hello.